So in today's hello all, in today's topic we are going to understand why universal gate are known as universal gates. As in a previous time when I taught you that uh, different types of gates, and at that time I told universal gates are known as universal gates because we can make any other gate from universal gate. So firstly, let's remember it is possible to implement it with boolean expression or without, just by the logical circuit too. I am following it for a simple one. Let's try it with the NAND and NOR both. I will try to make you clear about NAND first, and you can solve it according the same way for NOR. Right? So NOR is by self study for you. Let's start it from the NAND. So let's try to make a NOT gate using NAND. How can we make NOT gate from the NAND? See, NAND gate symbol is like this, right? It is NAND gate, which having two inputs and one output. But we have, so its equation is y is equals to a into base bar. But we need NOT gate which having single input. So let's make it y is equals to a bar. We need this one from this. So what you need to do, you need to make it as a single output. So I will going to make a short it. If when I am shorting it, there is just a single input a, and I will get y as a bar because here there is NOT gate, right? So this one become in a form of NOT gate. So you can simplify it. Therefore a is equals to b, so y is equals to a into e bar, and as everyone knows a into a is equals to a from boolean expression, so y becomes a bar. So by this way, this is the NOT gate using NAND. So when it is NAND available with you, you can make it a NOT just by simply connect their two inputs in a single one. So this is the way you can get a NOT gate from NOR to. Just make connection of input as an simple connection in a single one. Now how can you make AND gate using NAND gate? It is quite simple. This one is AND. Your AND is y is equals to a into b bar, and you and you wanted it as a y is equals to ab. So you need to put just NOT in front of NAND, right? So there is one NAND is there. You need to use two NAND gate, and then you will be able to, here you will get a b's bar. Now you can put this NOT gate, not our normal one NOT gate, but NOT gate with the NAND, and you will able to get y is equals to a dot b's bar, so it is equals to a into b, right? So you will get again back as an, so this is the circuit diagram for AND using NAND. Similar way you can make OR using NAND, but before that let me clear you, you can make OR using NOR by a simple way. So you can make OR in place of when you are making it with the NOR, and with the help of NOR by this way. So again, you know that you have De Morgan's theorem. You want y is equals to a plus b, and you having y is equals to a dot b's bar. So firstly let's make it a bar plus b bar by De Morgan, and then you can make it a plus b by using not both in front of it. So let's make it vice versa. First use NOT, two NOT will be there. By using NAND, it's a, it's b, so you will get a bar b bar, right? Then again make NAND of it. So definitely you are getting a bar dot b bars whole bar, right? So it will become a bar bar plus b bar bar, so it will become a plus b. This is your y which you want. So this is OR gate with the help of NAND, right? So everyone can understand this. You can easily make any of the basic gate using universal gate this way. Now the last one is just remaining, which is you can make NOR gate using NAND. How can you make NOR using NAND? That is quite simple. See, you having A plus B bar which you want, and you have A dot B bar. So again apply De Morgan first. So you can make it a way. This one is your A, this one is your B, right? Up till now you know how to make OR. I taught you how to make OR. This one you made it, right? This one you made it OR. Now you just need to make a bar of it. So you need one knot there at the end of your circuit. So up till now it's A plus B, and at the end of this it's become A plus B bar. So you can make this one from this. This one is your Y. How to make simplified? Y is equals to A plus B's whole bar. So it is equals to A bar dot B bar, right? Then Y is equals to A bar dot B bars bar. So it will become A plus B, and then again you can make A plus B's bar. So this is the simplification of Boolean expression for NOR gate. The similar way you can make NAND from NOR when you try to simplify NOR. So by your practice work is you can make NOT and OR and NOR from and NAND from NOR gate. Okay, thank you.